It's a good solar day. It's early. We're generating plenty of power. Just enough to charge the car. Hello everybody and welcome. Today we're going to test out the 2022 Model Y here. We're going to put the Draggy in it and do some acceleration tests. It is wonderful being back from Wyoming. I've got a lot to do here, and the first thing on the list is to test the acceleration here in the new 2022 Model Y. First though, I need to put a charge in it. It's been sitting around at 43%. We're going to plug it into the J1772 charger over there using the adapter. We've got plenty of solar today. It's generating about 12 kilowatts. We charge at 40 amps using the J1772. Let's get it plugged in. We'll get it charged up and go take it out on the road. Let's get this thing plugged in. We're going to plug in the Model Y here using this J1772. First thing you do is just touch the flap, opens up. In a J1772 configuration, each one of the Teslas come with this adapter. You should plug it into the car first, then plug your J1772 in it. Once you do that, the car recognizes it. We're flashing green and we're now charging. Quick look at the charging screen here. You see the wall connector there, the J1772 is limited to 40 amps. We're set up for the maximum. We're gonna set this thing up, and I think today we're gonna charge it a little bit more than what we normally do. I think I'd like to at least get 90% in there. So there we go. Now we're set to 90%. We're going to let this charge. It'll charge probably, it says 4 hours to get to 90%. So we'll be back. We're charged here now to 90% and we're heading off. We're heading over to our test road that I do all my acceleration tests. So let's go. Heading over to the test track. It's quite a ways. I think it's maybe 8 or 10 miles, maybe more. We'll check once I get there, but it's a good hike from the house. The Draggy is magnetic, and I found a place here where the dash rolls over and it sticks, and as you can see, it'll sit just right there. Shouldn't go anywhere unless the acceleration G's knock it off, but we'll find out. My spare cell phone has the Draggy app on it, which talks Bluetooth to the Draggy box. It's located right there. And it shows our current speed. It says 44, 46, 46. It's the same GPS speed as the car. Here's our test track. It's pretty darn flat. It's pretty not around, and Draggy's talking here. We're going to turn around, and right here at this post is our start point. Our first run will be in sport mode, quarter mile, and then Draggy will reset here once we stop. So this is about where our launch point is here. Okay, we'll come to a complete stop. I'll hit the reset, and here we go. 3, 2, 1.
30. 60.
Okay. So this is a long-range Model Y now, so we'll stop, take a quick look at the reading here now. All right, that was the first run. We'll go ahead and post it up here. It was 4.6 seconds, 0 to 60. Let me turn it around. We'll do one more time. It's 89 degrees, 87% battery. All right, this will be run number 2.
30.
And we'll come to a complete stop like we did before. All right, we will now reset Draggy. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
30. 60.
All right. Let's have a look. That was 4.82 seconds, 0 to 60. I'm going to go ahead now. We'll set it to chill. Okay. Chill, of course, is half power. At least I think it's about half power. Let's set up. We'll do another run here in chill. This is be run number 3, which is run number 1 for chill. Okay, we're stopped. We are in chill. Okay, reset draggy. Come on, baby, reset. Really? There we go. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, jeez Louise.
30.
60.
All right. That took forever. Yeah, but it's either a half or a third power on acceleration. Let's see what we got. That was a valid test. 7.62 seconds. Yeah, I think it's half power or a third power. Just fine. We'll do another run and chill here.
30.
All right, this will be run number 2 and chill. Okay, we're stopped at our place. I'll reset draggy. Come on, there we go. Okay, on 3, 3, 2, 1, go. Gee Louise.
30.
60.
All right. There we go. Let's see if we got a good run here. All right, let's have a look. There you have it. I guess there's better part of 3 seconds difference. I'll put it up on the screen here and we'll take a look at it here in a minute. Starting to rain, heading home. See you in a few minutes.